Hey guys, it is Chrissy K and I am here with a tutorial on my go-to smoky brown eye. I'm going to start off by using my Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick in the color Plum and just put that all over my eyelids as my base.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies.
I'm going in with my The Warrior palette by Juvia's Place and I'm going to apply Kano in my crease.
I ain't telling no lies, I just, I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm taking the Nubia by Juvia's Place, the mini, and I'm going to take my matte brown eyeshadow and start applying that all over my lids for the base of this brown smoky eye.
In diamonds, who knew? Who knew? Who knew?
I'm going to be lining my eyes with my favorite liner, which is my Benefit Roller Lash in black. I'm going to be getting my lashes together with my Laura Mercier eyelash curler. For some added volume to these lashes, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. If you haven't tried these Eyelure Pre-Glued lashes, you are missing out. They are the ones. For my concealer, not much has changed. It is still my Shape Tape in the shade Medium. To start my glow, I'm taking my Becca Liquid Shimmering Highlighter in the color Opal. I'm just tapping softly with my beauty blender to blend all of that in.
I ain't telling no lies, I just,
Setting my concealer with my Holy Grail Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Original.
3, 2, that's how I got to you. That money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds.
Adding some Laura Mercier Translucent Glow to intensify my highlight. Taking my Laura Mercier powder blush and rose and applying that to my cheeks. Using whatever is left and putting it around the perimeters of my forehead to balance everything out. Going in with Mino from the Juvia's Place Warrior palette and smoking out my bottom lash line. For more drama on the lashes, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Caviar and add it to my top and bottom lashes. So I promise you this is my last highlighter. This is the Maybelline Puma collab. I'm using the shade Knockout to intensify this already poppin' highlight. You already know I feel like glow is life. I can't help myself. I must bathe in highlighter always. So I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX brown lip liner, Holy Grail. Must have several of these. And then I'm going to fill it in with my Laura Mercier Milky Way cream lipstick. So this is the finished look, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want more videos, stick around to the end and click to the right or the left for my previous videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Mwah!